Physical activities with Quill class at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our little ones in Quill class 1 to 2 for months enjoy fun and gentle physical activities every day. Movement time is full of joy, helping our baby sharks tank grow stronger and more confident step by step. Quill class move and grow. Jolly happily crawls and walks through soft obstacle paths, exploring with curiosity. Hammy loves ball games, developing hand-eye coordination and quick reactions. Traingle enjoys following simple movement instructions with excitement. Mina smiles brightly while stretching and dancing along with music. Physical activities help babies build strength and motor skills, improve coordination and body awareness, boost confidence and independence, create joyful learning experiences every day. Every little movement is a big step in your child's development.